Hey guys, welcome back to Technicalomor YouTube channel. Have you ever had a random warning light appear on your car's dashboard? Maybe the check engine light, ABS warning, or airbag light suddenly shows up, and the first thing that comes to mind is taking the car to a workshop. But here's the problem. Many repair shops can charge around $150 to $200 just for a diagnostic scan before they even start fixing anything. So today, I am going to show you a smarter solution that lets you understand what's happening with your vehicle right from your smartphone. This is the GOOLOO DS100 Professional Bidirectional Full System Diagnostic Scanner. Inside the box, you get the GOOLOO DS100 scanner, a quick start guide, and the basic documentation needed to get started. Setting it up is very straightforward. You can simply plug the DS100 in your vehicle's OBD2 port, connect it to the companion app through Bluetooth, and you're ready to begin. Since it works wirelessly, you don't have to deal with bulky cables or carry around a large handheld scanner. Everything happens conveniently from your smartphone. One of the biggest reasons this scanner stands out is that it isn't just a basic code reader. The GOOLOO DS100 is designed for full system diagnostics. Instead of checking only engine related issues, it can scan multiple important vehicle systems, including the engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, or SRS, steering, gateway, AC, radio, and many other accessible electronic modules. That means you get a much clearer picture of your vehicle's overall condition instead of guessing what's wrong. Another feature that really impressed me is its bidirectional control, also known as active test. This is actually one of the biggest highlights of the DS100. Rather than simply reading information from the car, the scanner can send commands directly to the vehicle's ECU on supported vehicles. For example, you can activate components like the radiator fan, test certain systems, or perform other supported active tests without touching the vehicle's manual controls. If you are troubleshooting a problem, this can save a huge amount of time because you can quickly verify whether specific components are responding correctly. Beyond diagnostics, the DS100 also includes several useful maintenance functions that many car owners will appreciate. It supports services such as oil reset, electronic parking brake or EPB reset, throttle adaptation, battery management system reset, DPF regeneration, ABS bleeding, and TPMS reset. Depending on your vehicle's compatibility, these functions can make routine maintenance much easier without always needing a trip to the dealership. The scanner also supports auto VIN detection on compatible vehicles, making the setup process even faster. Once connected, you can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, view live data streams, access freeze frame data, check emission readiness for smoke inspections, and even generate diagnostic reports. The live data feature is especially useful because it allows you to monitor how different systems are performing in real time and potentially identify problems before they become expensive repairs. The companion app is another nice addition. It includes AI-assisted vehicle insights and fault code explanations to help users better understand diagnostic results. During the first year, you get access to features like the all-system vehicle health check, engine check with code reading and cleaning, battery check, smoke check, HUD, and more at no additional costs. After the first year, these services require a subscription, which is currently listed as $4.99 per month or $29.99 per year. Even with that, it can still be much more affordable than paying for repeated diagnostic visits. Compatibility is also quite broad. The GOOLOO DS100 supports most 1996 and newer OBD2 complaint cars and light trucks in United States, 2000 and newer gasoline vehicles in Europe and Asia, and 2006 and newer diesel passenger vehicles. It works with many popular brands including Toyota, Honda, Ford, Jeep, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and many others. Just keep in mind that it isn't designed for OBD1 vehicles, heavy-duty trucks, or motorcycles. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices, although Android users should have a 64-bit device since 32-bit Android systems are not supported. GOOLOO also includes a 12-month warranty, free software updates to help maintain compatibility with newer vehicle models, and 24/7 customer support through email and in-app chat if you ever need assistance. Overall, if you enjoy maintaining your own vehicle, want a better understanding of your car's health, or simply want to avoid unnecessary diagnostic costs, the GOOLOO DS100 is a very capable tool to have in your garage. It combines full system diagnostics wireless convenience, bidirectional active testing, useful maintenance functions, and an easy-to-use mobile app into one compact device. If you want to stop guessing what's wrong with your car and save thousands in diagnostic fees, click the first link in the description box below to grab your GOOLOO DS100. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.